Hello guys and welcome back to our channel Peace and Profit. I hope you're having a nice week already and you're enjoying your weekend or your week at the time you're watching this video. Right, so without further ado, I would like to move straight into the chart where we're going to be looking at what we anticipate to see going into the new week. Okay, so we're going to be checking the chart and we're going to be seeing what we anticipate to see into this new week. Right, so right away we're going to be starting with DXY, the dollar index. I'm very excited doing this video. This is one of my favorite videos. This is one of the videos I'm most excited. The reason why I'm going to let you know within the course of the video, so just stay tuned to the end of the video and you get the reason for my excitement. Okay, so let's just move straight to the analysis without wasting much time. All right, so looking at DXY on the monthly, like we can say it for the past couple of months, about 4 months now, since we were here sometime around July, when price approached this level and took out liquidity here, we said DXY is going back up. All right, and since then we've been riding it all through the year. Okay, so we're riding it. This is our last target. This is we are targeting to stop taking long positions on DXY. Okay, so the dollar is long. There are very so many fundamentals that are going to prove us right, but for me the dollar is long all the way to this level. All right, but for intraday traders, I've been giving you week to week back to back analysis on what to expect every week. Okay, so once again you're welcome to the weekly outlook. We're looking at DXY for last week, or for just this concluded week. We saw how that DXY expanded upwards as projected, right? But before the expansion, we anticipated some form of retracement down to this level, right? Somewhere around here. All right. So although price didn't get to the exact place where we anticipated, which is around here, on the daily, able to see that clearly. But on the monthly, the main cost for the monthly is that the DXY is still bullish. We anticipate it to come to this orange line here. So if you don't know what this orange line is, click on the link or the card on the top right corner of this video. You should see the link to the previous video where we explained what this orange line is for and why we anticipate the DXY to move into this level. Already in the monthly, so we anticipate DXY to move into this level. So quickly to the weekly. You hear what I did there? Quickly to the weekly. Right, so back to the weekly, we've taken out this liquidity, so there's no need for this anymore. Alright, so we're anticipating taking all that 3 weeks ago, and we've done that. Okay, so on the weekly time frame, we anticipated that DXY is going to trade into this zone. There's a very fine effect on the gap here. We anticipated DXY to trade into this zone. After it busted up here, we anticipated it to come down, which it did. It came down to this level, trading into this fair value gap. Also attempted to trade into this fair value gap. In the future time, we see it's coming back to this level. Okay, so we anticipated the DXY to come above here. That's going the first objective. Second objective was to trade below here, and it has done that. It's the second objective. Now the third objective is to trade all the way to this orange line. Okay, right, so check the video for what the trade line stands for. So this is the third objective. We expect to achieve that by coming weeks. Okay, for the month of October, this is going to be our objective, to trade DXY up to this level. Okay, so this is what has happened in the previous week and what you're expecting to see in the coming week. Okay, now looking at the daily time frame, we can see this clear then take off liquidity here. Alright, you anticipated that if DXY broke this low and continue and close the candle below here, then we'll conclude on a sell trend. But look at what it did. He attempted breaking the first time, it didn't break it. He came the second time and took it away, cleared liquidity there, but the candle didn't close below. And then lastly on Thursday, the 12th of October, he tried to clear this low, but he couldn't break it and it rejected backwards. There you can see this rejection candles right here, this rejection wicks, and you can see the reversal pattern that was shown here. The weak sell candle, a doji candle, and a very strong bullish candle. This is clear rejection pattern if you know your candlestick formation very well. Look at another one here, the weak sell candle, doji candle, and a strong pushback upwards. Okay, So DXY clearly bullish. Alright, so that's what we're anticipating on DXY. Next week we're anticipating goes all the way, clears this liquidity, let me mark that out. Clears this liquidity. Okay. So for next week our target is to take this guy out of the way. Alright, clear him out of the way and trade to this level. Alright, so these purple lines and the PGs and these orange lines, you know what that is for. Right, so that is for DXY into next week. Okay, so let's look at a few foreign currencies. Let's look at EURUSD and GBPUSD. First off, I'd like to look at GBPUSD, which is my favorite pair at the moment. Okay, looking at it from the monthly time frame, clearly, yeah, bearish, clearly bearish on the monthly time frame. Okay, so we're anticipating we'll take consideration of some levels and trading to it. Right, so we're going to be sharing with those levels that we expect price to trade into on the low or the most lower time frame. For the most, you just want to get the overall direction, which is showing us that it is clearly bearish. Okay, now to the weekly time frame. Alright, looking at the weekly time frame, we could see that this is the reason why I am really excited. Okay, so if you remember this direction to, or this path to this arrow from the previous week, I told you all that DXY is going to trade into this fair value gap and mitigation block right here. I marked it. Alright, I marked it right here and said it, shouted it, that DXY is going to sorry about that. GBPUSD is going to trade all the way to these levels. There are two zones actually, the wick on the lower part and the body on the candle. This body is on the daily time frame, that's why it is shaded in purple. But the blue one is for the weekly targets, my weekly target. So I told you all that DXY was going to trade into this level, okay, and reject back upwards. Remember this level, alright? This is the volume gap. If you've not been watching my previous videos, go and watch it. You're going to see well instead. We expected DXY to trade into this volume imbalance right here, and GBPUSD, and it did so. Traded into this level. Once it got into here, I took long positions because I told you I'm expecting it to retrace into this level. This is where I expect it to retrace to. Alright, there are so many other confluences on the daily time frame for this level. Mark right here. Look at this path. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. We traded into this level and started rejecting back up over 180 pips last week. Although unfortunately I was able to just get about 100 pips last week. Alright, but then after that, I was very sad that I didn't get to it. But then, as you all know, we can't get everything off the market. You just take what we can and we leave the market to do its thing. Okay, so looking at the daily time frame, what do we now anticipate to see? Well, look at this beauty here on the daily time frame. All see that, you see that, so that into this level, another fair value gap and an old big here right here on the daily time frame. This is what I wanted to see. Right, traded in between 50% and 64% premium level from this last swing to the downside, and then look at this beautiful trending straight downwards. Okay, all right, so for coming week, this is what I want to see of GBPUSD. Right, so this is my extension, and then because price trading into 50%, I want to see it as a 50% extension, and coinciding with that 50% extension is an old low residing right here, an old low. So I want to see GBPUSD trading to this old low. It's another fair value gap right here. So there's so many things calling GBPUSD to the downside. Okay, so fair value gap, an old low, and extension of 50% feed, and the overall direction of the monthly time frame. So I anticipate to see GBPUSD trade all the way here. So going forward, I'm going to be shorting the hell out of GBPUSD. Alright, I'm going to be taking short positions on GBPUSD all the way to this level. You can mark that 1.18000 levels. Okay, 1.18000 levels. I'm expecting GBPUSD to trade all the way to this level. Alright, I've shown you the process from 3 months ago. I've been shooting back-to-back videos showing you how I anticipated these levels and how they are all playing out accordingly. I'm no magician, guys. I'm just a technical analyst. Right, so this is what we anticipate to see GBPUSD all the way to this level. Right, that's what I want to see next. Right, so structure on the hourly time frame clearly in our favor. You can see 4-hour structure, keep breaking downwards, come on baby, come all the way to this level. Right, this is what I expect to see on GBPUSD going into next week. So a quick peek at the euro. I anticipate similar thing on the euro going to next week. Looking at the weekly time frame, clearly it has broken structure and finally closed below this level. So I'm expecting it to trade all the way back to parity. I expect GBP, Euro USD rather, to trade all the way back to parity, which is 1.00000. I don't know how many zeros are there, but 1.000. Okay, so I expect Euro USD to trade all the way to this level. So I'm going to so for that short, look at the daily time frame. Couldn't break this high. The daily time frame couldn't be above this high. Only grab liquidity and then started trading downward. So I anticipate Euro USD to trade all the way to these levels. Okay, all the way to parity 1.00000. Alright, so that will be all for today's video. If this video was helpful, make sure you like and subscribe. So keep giving you premium content like this. Alright, and if you have any other question, you can ask in the comment section and I will do well to attend to you. Alright, what we'll see again next week. Cheers guys, and God bless.